In today's world, everyone is stealing your attention. Reels, apps, advertisements, notifications, and even people. But the good news, you can always train your mind to get it back and focus on your goals like never before. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Gargi Vashne and currently I'm a final year MBBS student at KJMC Lucknow, and in this video we'll be talking about how to develop laser focus. This video is mainly for students, class 11th, class 12 students, NEET students, or even JEE students, or even hustlers who are hustling in their lives. So what is focus? Focus means an ability to concentrate on one particular goal. Whatever lies apart from these goals are your distractions. And focus is a skill, and just like any other skills, this can be learned. So let's begin the video. So here are the steps that you can follow to improve your focus ability. So number one is set a very clear target, very clear. When you have a very big target, you tend to dissipate your energy in various other spaces. And when you have a very small, very clear target, then you tend to put all of your energy into that one particular thing. And that thing really produces a lot of results. When you have a very big goal, just break it down into clear, small, specific goals. So let's take an example. So instead of writing that I'll be studying botany or zoology today, just write that what particular chapter is that you will be studying today, and what you will be revising, the source from where you will be revising, from where you will be solving MCQs. Just write that particular thing in your goals list. Be very specific and very clear in writing down your goal, right? So number two is train your brain like your muscle. Start very small, very small. So for example, if you're not able to focus for a very long time, just train your mind that I'll be like studying only for 5 minutes. You open your book. When you have clearly defined your goals, I'll be studying plant morphology from NCERT today. Then just open your book for 5 minutes. Start and focus for 5 minutes only, and believe me that you'll end up finishing that goal. So start very slow, very small, and take baby steps very consistently, and you will be able to focus more and you will be able to complete that target. Increase that time gradually. Do not take a very big step. You will feel very demotivated. Take very small steps. Reward yourself meanwhile, and then move to another target. Use various other methods, like you can use Pomodoro technique, studying for 25 minutes and then taking a break for 5 minutes. You can use apps like Forest app. You can set a timer. You won't be able to use your phone in that particular time. You can switch on the deep focus mode. You can switch on your stopwatch, and there are various other features that you can use from the Forest app. So you can check out the app as well. Number three is killing your distraction. Now, first of all, define what is your distraction. Any and everything that is pulling you away from your main goal. When you have clearly defined your main goal, that is to clear the NEET examination, to improve your score, to increase your marks, then everything that's remained outside, that is pulling you apart, that is pulling you away from your goal, is your distractions. Even your friends or your family members, even your parents, if they are pulling you away from your goal, if they're constantly telling you negative things about your examination, or just sucking away your energy, then those people are your distractions, and you need to cut them away, right? So let's take an example. So parents are rarely a distraction. In some cases they may be. So just stop listening to them. If your phone is your biggest distraction, then I've made a completely dedicated video how to stop your phone addiction. You can watch that video, and that video will definitely give you results. So for example, if phone is your distractions, you should keep that phone away in some another room whenever you're studying. If you're studying online, then you should block all the apps and all the notifications from those apps that you will not be using for your online studies. So you can use various other methods. So you have to cut down your distractions intentionally, and only then you will be able to focus on one particular thing, that is your goal, right? And please watch that. And if you have a very bad phone addiction, then do watch that video, how to get rid of phone addiction. That video will be really helpful for you all. So number four is work during your peak hours. Just analyze what are your peak hours, whether you're a night owl or whether you're a morning person, right? So whatever are your peak hours, do maximum of the work in those peak hours. That will give you the most results, that will give you better and more results compared to when you will be working other time of the day. So number five is very important. Take care of your body, right? A healthy mind will reside in a healthy body. So if you have to develop a very laser focus, do not compromise on your sleep for adequate time that is required by your body. Eat healthy, so that most of your energy is not consumed in digesting your junk food. Most of your energy is left for you to focus on the things that actually matter in your life. And if it is possible for you, and if you know how to meditate, then even for 5 minutes, if it's possible, do meditate. It's a very good way of concentrating on one particular thing. With this, you develop your focus even stronger, even sharper. So number 6 point is distraction dump. So whenever you're getting distracted while you're studying or while you're working on your goals, write those things down on a separate notebook, and just train your mind that I'll deal with all of this later. First, let me complete the work. With this, you'll be able to complete your work, and whatever was the root cause of that problem, you solve it later. Just keep it aside and just solve it later. Number 7 point is repeat daily. Even if you're able to do deep work even for 1 hour a day, then do not feel demotivated. Even 1 hour of day daily consistently will compound very massively. You'll see very tremendous and amazing results over a span of time, and you will be able to achieve your goal. So next point is adding visual reminders to your goal. Reminders means asking yourself whether whatever you're doing is making you move towards your goal or not, and everything that is adding positively, that is contributing in your growth, and it is making you move forward towards your growth, towards your goal, then it's a good thing. And if something is eating up your energy and is contributing negatively towards your goal, just eliminate that. Right? Ask yourself this question again and again: is this thing making me move closer to my goal or not? And if your answer is yes, then you should continue doing that thing. And if your answer is no, just take out your time and just eliminate that activity from your schedule. Okay, yeah, that's all for the video. If you follow these 8 steps, I'm very sure that you will be able to improve your focus to another level, and you will be able to achieve your goals faster and surely. So yeah, that's all for the video. Okay, bye bye. Started my mentorship program to help need droppers with daily accountability, a clear plan, emotional support, weekly check-ins, someone to guide you when you will feel lost. If that's something that you need, then you can message me on my WhatsApp number. I've provided the WhatsApp number in the description box as well. You can check it out over there. And always remember, there will be hard days. There will be days when you will feel lazy. But always remember, your dreams are very bigger than your excuses. Even if you're very tired, study a little. Even if you're very demotivated, just begin. Because one day now, all of this struggle will be all worth it. And believe me, these are the times that most people quit. And the one person who moves even 1% ahead will surely see results, because that will create evidence for your brain that you will work even when you will not feel good. And this evidence will boost your confidence to another level. And if you want help staying consistent, then I'm just one message away. You can message me, and the WhatsApp number is in the description box. Do check that out. Yeah, that's all for the video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, because it makes up for all the effort that I put into making such videos. And do share it with your friends who needs it the most. So we'll meet in the next video. Okay, bye.